Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate articles for WordPress website on YouTube video titles automatically using ChatGPT. Guys, if you have a YouTube channel and a website, this video is really important and really helpful for you. Here guys, I'm going to show you how you can promote and share your YouTube video on your WordPress website with a article automatically on that video. Okay, so this will improve your YouTube channel's reach as well as your website engagement with your audience. Okay, and here you do not have to do anything manually in writing the articles. You just have to connect YouTube with ChatGPT and WordPress in such a way that as you are going to publish the video, the title of the video will be sent as a prompt to ChatGPT and an article will be generated and saved in draft in your WordPress dashboard automatically. And guys, we are going to do this without any coding. So let's begin. To set up our workflow, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And this is the landing page. I'm going to paste this link in the description so that you can sign up for free from here and you will get free automation tasks to set up your automation. So you can just sign up right now from the given link and then sign in and select Pabbly Connect product and you will reach the dashboard. From here, click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflow and after that click on create button and your workflow page will be created. So after giving such names, click on create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here, and here you will find the basic building blocks of this automation, which is trigger and the action. So trigger is that event which is going to start the workflow and the action would be an automated response towards the trigger. In this use case guys, we want that whenever we upload or publish a video on YouTube, an article will be generated on YouTube video's title and saved in a draft in WordPress. So here guys, in the first trigger step, I am going to select YouTube as the trigger application. Then I'm going to select the trigger event as new video in channel with video URL. Then click on connect button. From here select add new connection, then click on connect with YouTube. From here you have to choose your Google account by which you have created the channel. Select the account. Then you have to provide some additional access to your Google account, so just click on continue from here and you will be connected like this. Okay, then it will ask for the channel's name. So this is my channel's name named as demo channel. You can see this is my channel. Okay, so I am selecting it here. Now when you click on save and send test request button, the details of a most recent video that you have uploaded on your channel will be fetched in the response section. So guys, the last video I have uploaded here is this one. So this was the video I have uploaded recently, the last video, and the title of this video is fitness and workout. Okay, now let me capture the response. I am clicking on save and send test request here, and the response is this: we have received the YouTube video URL, and here you can see when you scroll down, this is the title of the video, fitness and workout. This is the description of the video. Okay, and all other technical details are also fetched along with the channel's name. Okay, this is the publishing date and time of the video. Now guys, on this title I want to generate an article for my WordPress blog. Okay, so here guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect with ChatGPT. Okay, then select the action event as ask ChatGPT, then click on connect button. From here select add new connection, and here it will ask to fill the API key of ChatGPT, so you can get the key from OpenAI keys page. Okay, so if you're logged in ChatGPT, you can just reach the keys page by clicking on this link only, and on this keys page you can generate a new key by clicking on this create new secret key button. Here you can give a name if you want and then click on create secret key. That's how the key will be generated. Just copy that and paste it here in this token field and click on save, and you will be connected with ChatGPT. Okay, then it will ask for the prompt. So prompt is a kind of command for ChatGPT to make something happen out of ChatGPT. Okay, so you can read in the example. this is how you have to provide a prompt. Draft an email for taking a leave tomorrow. This is how you can type the prompt. So let me give a prompt here. So here I have written the prompt, write an article for this YouTube video title, and after this I am going to place the title that I have received here in this tab. So here is the title label I have received, and I'm going to map it here in this prompt. So you just have to click here like this, and the previous tab will appear in the drop down, and by clicking on it you can see the data right here. From here you have to map the title label like this. Okay, then click on save and send test request to get your article generated on ChatGPT. From ChatGPT. Okay, so here you can see we got this response, and in this response when you scroll down you will find this choices 0 message content label. Here you will find this article generated by ChatGPT. Fitness and workout, a journey to a healthier you, and here's a whole article. Okay, now guys, we can save this article in the draft section of WordPress. For that, just click here on this plus icon, and another action step will open up. Here we are going to connect with WordPress. Okay, search for WordPress like this and you will find it. Then click on action events, and from here select create a post option, then click on connect button. From here select add new connection. Here it will ask for the WordPress username, WordPress password, and the base URL. So you'll have these two things. To get the base URL you just have to open your WordPress dashboard. Let me show you. So this is my WordPress applications dashboard guys, and here you can see in the top search bar this is the base URL that we want. So you have to copy the URL till this wp-admin. Okay, so let me just copy it and paste it here. Okay, now you can read in the instructions. The base URL should include the leading HTTP address, but it do not include /wp-admin or extra things. Okay, so I have just pasted it till this point. Okay, after filling all these things, click on save and you will be connected with WordPress, and your connection will be saved in your account. So if you want to make the connection again in a different workflow or in a same workflow with WordPress, you can use the saved connections like I am going to do now. Here to use my save connection, I'm just going to select this existing connection option, and here it will give me the list of my existing connections. From here we can choose anyone and then click on save and we'll be connected again. So you do not have to fill the data all over again. Alright, so we are now connected, and here select the post type as post only. Here it is asking for the post title. So for the post title we are going to use the YouTube videos title. So I'm mapping the title label here. Here in the post content I'm going to use the last step ChatGPT where we have generated the title or article. Map the content label. Okay, then you can select all these things. You can fill all the data. In the status I'm going to save it as a draft. I do not want to publish it directly. We are going to review that and then we are going to publish it. Okay, here it is asking for the featured media image. So if you have images already stored in WordPress, you can use any of the images. I do not want to use any image right now, so I'm toggling this map button to on and I'm erasing this field so that no image will be selected, and the draft will be saved without any image. Okay, alright, then you can select the format as standard or anything that you want, and here we have many options. You can fill all the data if you have. Okay, and finally you can check your connection with WordPress by clicking on save and send test request button, and a new draft post will be created in your WordPress account. So I'm clicking on save and send test request button here, and here you can see this is the response we got, and in the same response we got the link of the draft post as well. This is the link of the draft post. So let me show it, the draft post from this link only. So I have opened the link in a new tab, and here you can see we got the article created like this. Okay, right, so this is how you can share articles on your YouTube videos. Inside this same content field you can map the link of your YouTube video as well to share it on your website. Okay, so to do that you just have to click here, and from this last step you can just map the video URL that you got here. Here is the video URL. I'm mapping it like this. Okay, now you can click on save and your workflow will be saved. Okay, and guys, you have to set up this automation only once. After that, it will work automatically whenever you are going to upload any new video. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, if you want to connect with our support team, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask and discuss your queries on our forum via this link, and you can check the pricing plans of Pabbly Connect via pabbly.com/connect #pricing. And guys, if you like our videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.